Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best wool storage racks on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is HyLoft 01031 Folding Storage TireLoft. The HyLoft 01031 Folding Storage TireLoft was designed with simplicity, easy transport, and storage all in mind. It will help you save space, making it useful for many different applications because of its foldable design. The tire storage device is portable and foldable. It can be used to store toys, sporting goods, parts for vehicles, or anything you want to keep safe. It is easy to mount with its quick release feature, lightweight, and portable for easy storage and convenient transportation. Also, the tire boasts of a patented tri-fold technology, which makes storing and carrying tires simple, fast, and convenient. The storage rack also boasts high-quality materials and 6061 aircraft aluminum to create a secure, high-strength, and lightweight rack that is easy to use. Also, the tire can be adjusted from widths of 32 inches up to 48 inches. For added convenience, there are no tools required for assembly. Whether you're storing your tire inside or outside, it is best to help you secure your tire and prolong its lifespan. Number 2. Our second best pick is MAXXHAUL 70489 Adjustable Wall Mount Tire Rack. The MAXXHAUL 70489 Adjustable Wall Mount is the perfect way to store and display up to 4 tires in your garage or shop. It is made of steel and powder coated for durability. The durable and versatile tire rack can be mounted on any vertical surface with its reinforced wall mount brackets. It is a heavy-duty tire rack that boasts of steel construction mounted on a wall or post. It features a folding design with Allen head mounting screws which allow for easy installation on any flat surface. In addition, the tire rack is the perfect way to store your vehicle's wheels off the ground. All it takes is just for you to screw it into an existing wall stud, and you're ready to go. Furthermore, it is constructed from powder coat steel and features an easy-to-use quick-release system with safety ratchet straps. Each set of arms folds up neatly underneath the rack when not in use. It is a great item to keep the garage neat and organized. Number 3. Our third best pick is FLEXIMOUNTS Overhead Garage Storage Rack. When space is at a premium, the FLEXIMOUNTS Overhead Garage Rack makes plenty of sense for seasonal tire storage. Mount this clever, all-metal rack to the ceiling of your garage, utility room or storage shed, and you can store your off-season tires, and many other items, up and out of the way. With adjustable drop-down from the ceiling, this 14-gauge steel rack is flexible, and can hold up to 600 pounds of evenly distributed weight. This storage solution is versatile and can accommodate a set of wheels and tires, as well as a multitude of other items. Items stored on the FLEXIMOUNTS overhead rack are kept out of harm's way, out of children's reach, and away from possible water damage in the event of a flood. High-quality hardware and nearly universally positive owner reviews make this one a confident choice in getting your tires and wheels up and out of the way, though installation may be time-consuming, and you'll likely need a ladder and a strong back to lift the tires on and off. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is HyLoft Multi-Tire Storage System. This tire and wool storage rack from HyLoft makes our editor's pick designation easily because it does virtually everything a good tire and wool storage rack should do at a great price. Adjustable in width between 36 and 48 inches, it provides plenty of space for even wider tires common on performance cars and show trucks. Durable finishes and solid steel construction ensure a lifetime of use, and the rack mounts to your garage wall with ease, whether into wall studs or cider blocks. The HyLoft multi-tire storage system can hold up to 375 pounds, and includes mounting hardware. Reviews are generally positive and most owners report satisfaction with the price, as well as this rack's ability to store tires up and off of the ground while preserving floor space. You get what you pay for though, and some reviews complain of missing hardware or damaged paint right out of the box. Inspect the package fully when it arrives. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Champ 24 Tire Capacity Professional Tire Rack. The Champ Tire Rack also comes on top of some other tire racks that you will find in the market today. The rack is made of heavy-duty steel that can accommodate tires of different sizes. The good side of the tire is that it comes in a different capacity, from 24 tires to 48 tires. So, you can choose the one that meets your budget. It is an ideal option for someone who runs a tire garage or shop. Also, the rack is very easy and quick to assemble. The truth is that it doesn't take you a whole day to do that. Also, it has a design that allows you to easily adjust the shelves to suit your requirement or demand if you have to store different sizes of tires. Also, it has a double rivet, which helps to support the construction of the rack on both sides. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.